premium production facility is located southern part of Israel. The production process starts with sourcing high-quality ingredients. Most of the raw materials are received in the logistics center located 3 miles from the production plant. The sizable ingredients are stored in silos, positioned in the production plant, and connected directly to the production systems. In the material reception process, the ingredients are identified, labeled, and stored in the warehouse until they are released for production by QA-authorized personnel in the ERP system. The releasing process includes testing and reviewing their COAs according to our strict QA SOPs. After the materials are released, they are transferred to the production warehouse and from there to the production floor. In the production process, before using the materials, each ingredient is identified by a barcode reader in the ERP system that verifies that the correct material is being used and that it is approved for consumption. The gummaceutical production is a continuous process that starts in the cooker. In this process, the mass, which is the sweet carrier of the supplements, is prepared. The cooker system is a state-of-the-art machine and is designed to weigh accurate amounts of ingredients and to cook them according to an approved recipe. This process is computerized and fully automatic. The cooker prepares the mass-adding fibers, pectin, and active ingredients in accordance with the desired formulation. Once the mass is cooked and ready, it is automatically transferred to the jelly mix station. In this step, the system automatically adds the accurate weight of natural flavors, natural colors, and acid to the mass and mixes them together. Once the solution is homogenized, an automatic valve opens and the solution is discharged to the depositor in the mogul system. The mogul system is located beneath the jelly mix and is responsible for creating unique cavities in the starch and for depositing accurate and consistent volumes of gummaceutical solution by pistons into the cavities in the starch. After depositing the solution into the cavities in the starch trays, the trays are stacked one on top of the other on pallets and transferred to the drying rooms for the drying phase. In this phase, the gummaceuticals form their unique texture. After the drying phase, the trays are transferred back to the mogul for destacking and demolding. In the demolding station, the gummaceuticals are separated from the cornstarch and sent by conveyor to one of the coating stations for sugar coating or for oil coating. After the coating, the gummaceuticals are transferred by conveyor to new, state-of-the-art visual sorting machines for the sorting step. This unique system is programmed to reject any gummaceuticals which do not meet the unique appearance specifications. After sorting, the gummaceuticals are stacked on trays and pallets, weighed and registered in the ERP system and sent to the buffer area. In the buffer area, they are tested by our QA team and they are released for packaging. The production process is performed according to the approved master batch record. The batch record describes and details every production step, the completion of every step, all calculations, actual achieved values, and in-process control results are documented and signed in the batch record. In the packaging department, we have bulk and bottle packaging lines equipped with combinatoric weighing machines and metal detectors. In the packaging step, the gummaceuticals are packed in the primary packaging, bag or bottle. Then, in secondary packaging, carton box. The boxes are stacked on a heat-treated pallet, shrink-wrapped, and sent to our logistics center for release and shipping. After the production of each product, the production equipment is cleaned and sanitized according to our strict SOP using state-of-the-art cleaning machinery. Before entering the production or packaging area, each employee has to put on a head cover, beard cover if needed, working clothes, a white working robe, and clean safety shoes. Then, the employee goes through a special gate that injects soap onto their hands, then washes them with hot water and dries with paper towels. Any production action must be performed with a clean pair of disposable gloves. TopGum uses state-of-the-art machinery manufactured by the leading companies in the segment for its production and packaging processes. The machinery is fully automated, controlled by computerized systems, and GMP certified to consistently manufacture high-quality products. All the material flow process and inventory management are managed by the Priority ERP system. All the quality processes, including deviations, change controls, training, preventative maintenance, document management, SOPs, complaints, and more, are managed in a validated quality management system called DOT Compliance. TopGum is committed to continuous improvement in quality and in production capabilities by using the best-in-class computerized systems and machinery operated by the most skilled and dedicated employees. We are committed to continuous development of cutting-edge products, utilizing our highly experienced food technology capabilities. We are just getting started. Stay tuned.